If you're studying for the Microsoft AZ-900 exam, or you just want to finally understand what cloud computing actually means, you're in the right place. I'm a working IT analyst studying for AZ-900 right alongside you. What is cloud computing? Old way. Before cloud computing, companies bought physical servers, set them up in a room, maintained them, cooled them, and paid for all of it up front. That is called on-premises infrastructure. What is cloud computing? New way. Cloud computing means renting computing power over the internet, exactly like renting an apartment instead of buying a house. Microsoft defines it as the delivery of computing services over the internet. Cloud providers. The company providing cloud services is called a cloud provider. Microsoft Azure is one. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is another. Google Cloud is a third. For AZ-900, your focus is Microsoft Azure. Benefit 1. Cost. You do not buy hardware up front. You pay only for what you use. It turns a big capital expense into a predictable monthly bill. Benefit 2. Speed. Need 100 servers? In the old world, that takes weeks. In Azure, you can spin them up in minutes. Benefit 3. Scale. Your business grows. Your cloud grows with it. Black Friday traffic spike? Azure handles it automatically. Benefit 4. Reliability. Microsoft has data centers all over the world. If one goes down, your service keeps running from another location. Benefit 5. Security. Microsoft invests billions every year in security tools and compliance, more than most companies could ever afford on their own. All 5 benefits summary. The 5 key benefits: cost, speed, scale, reliability, security. These come up directly in the AZ-900 exam. Additional information about cloud computing. Public cloud. Public cloud, infrastructure owned by a provider like Microsoft, accessed over the internet. Azure is a public cloud. You share underlying infrastructure, but your data stays private. Private cloud. Private cloud, infrastructure used exclusively by one organization, not shared. Banks and government agencies prefer this because of strict data regulations. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud, a combination of both public and private. A company might keep sensitive data on private cloud, but run their website on Azure, most common setup for large enterprises. Shared responsibility model. Microsoft secures the infrastructure. You secure your data and access. This is called the shared responsibility model, covered in detail in the next video. Subscribe and follow along.